Hi everyone, and welcome to Yoga with Genene. I'm Genene, and I'm so excited to share with you 30 days of yoga for 30 minutes a day. About no props are needed. All you need to do is throw on some comfortable clothes, get your yoga mat, and bring a positive attitude, and you're good to go. Sometimes I will be offering the option for props for those of you who might have some physical issues that'll really help to use those props. I'm a storyteller by trade, so I've organized these videos like a 30-part mini-series. A mini-series about a journey of a very special hero-heroine. In this story, it's you who is the hero or the heroine. This is your story, so you get to choose whether your story is a comedy or a tragedy or a romance, or maybe it's an action-packed adventure. We'll begin with choice. The choice that every heroine or hero must make at the beginning of every story to say yes to the adventure and decide why you're saying yes, making it a powerful choice so that you'll stick with it. This is where we work on techniques to create a foundation for all the asanas that we can build on for the rest of the 30 days. Next, you'll have the opportunity to release what's holding you back and honestly acknowledging the value of your choices that got you here, gathering all the gifts they have to offer, and leaving behind what's no longer serving you. Then you'll be ready to embrace, to fill these newly created spaces with more dimensions of your passion, trust, and love. Then you'll be celebrating all the changes that you've made the way. And once you've overcome that final hurdle, claimed the prize or mastered that elusive skill, there's still one more piece to the puzzle. The one thing that makes the whole experience fully satisfying. And that's the moment in the story at the very end when you bring back the gifts that you claimed on your 30-day journey and share them, sharing them with yourself and those you love. So what's your 30-day journey going to look like? Will this be alone time that you set aside for yourself? Or are you going to do this with a friend or two? A great way to deepening friendships as well as keeping you motivated. And then if you want to deepen and advance your practice further, head over to my brand new website, yogawithgenene.com, and sign up for our mailing list and our monthly streaming service. To give you a little more motivation, this 30-day series will only be available for free until Valentine's Day, February 14th, 2023. After that, the entire series will only be available on my online streaming service that's on my website. I'm so looking forward to connecting with all of you. I can't wait to hear about your experiences, your transformations, and the insights you gained along the way.